We are using ChatGPT-4 to help us create a customized routine. ChatGPT-4 is a language model that's been trained on an extensive amount of text data. It can generate human-like text based on the prompts we give it. Today, we're giving it a task that could benefit all of us, creating a personalized routine. Let's dive in. Our hypothetical person today is 30 years old, weighs 95 kilograms, and wants to get down to 85 kilograms. They eat primarily homemade food, dine out twice a week, and have a drink once a week. They hit the gym regularly and work a standard 9-to-5 job. They're willing to wake up at 7 in the morning. And here's what ChatGPT-4 suggests as a weekday and weekend routine. As you can see, the AI considered all the preferences and habits we fed it. It's not just about losing weight or staying active. It's also about mental health, work productivity, personal development, and overall well-being. You can use this approach to create your custom routine. The ChatGPT prompt can be found in the description.